Well, it's about 3:30 in the morning and we're currently en route to Buttermere. The plan is to walk up to the top of Red Pike in time for the sunrise. So we've got about just under 3 hours to go, and it'll be also a good chance to test out the DJI Mini2, which I've had for about 4 months, but we've been in lockdown all that time, so I haven't really had a chance to use it properly yet. So I think this will be a good way to test it. It will be quite dark, it'll be windy, it'll be very cold. Yeah, it should be interesting, so let's head up there. Morning. Oh, it's about 4 o'clock and we're walking, as you can see, up to the top of Red Pike. Got about maybe just under 2 hours until sunrise. A bit creepy. Oh. Oh, not far from the top now. The path's kind of turned just into snow at the minute. This is it. Got about half an hour before sunrise. A bit chilly. It's a bit chilly up here. Oh. We've got Enadale, loads of water, Crummock, and you can see it, Buttermere's down there, and you've got Keswick, Derwent water. What else? Oh, right now. It's that cold. Got ice and everything. was starting to freeze. Ah. Nice though. Right, back down. Got everything. Car keys, phone. Oh. Well, this looks a lot less creepy than it was at 4 o'clock this morning.